They were fake. Oh man. I didn't even I looked at the box. I thought they were cool grays. But then I looked again inside the... What's good, everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video today. It's another beautiful day in Dallas, Texas. We might hit a few pawn shops for sure. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to find a lot of good deals and steals, and that's just mostly because the market is really out of there. Like, a lot of people are not trying to sell their stuff because they have money, they don't need money type of thing. Plus, I also put all this information on YouTube, so everybody and their mom is pulling up to the pawns and finding deals. So other than that, bro, I personally don't care that people are finding deals, because at the end of the day, there's enough shit for everybody to eat, you feel me? That's why I even put all this information out there, so you guys can try it out yourself also. But yeah, we finna head to the pawn shop real quick, see what deals we can find. I might go to the hood today in Dallas, so man, I hope we find some deals. Let's go there right now. Alright, so we're at this pawn shop. As you guys can see, the pawn shop is in a decent area. As you guys can see, there's like 3-4 like big towers of workspace and stuff. So that means they're paying an arm and a leg for this real estate. So that means their prices are gonna be really crazy in there. But like a year ago or 2 years ago, I spent like $3,000 on here because they was doing some type of sale going on, and it was clearing the shit out of their shelves. So I come here often, but we'll see what's in here. We're not in the hood yet. Let's go in here and see what we find. Garbage. Steals on the Air Maxes, not that much profit, but we're picking those teal ones up. Not a bad day. Look, $60 for those. See, I don't know if you can see the sign. We inside Dallas. The first pawn shop. My boy is selling some forces. Let's see what they got. Yo. Oh my god. Oh man, everything else is trash. I found some bread 13s for $20 in here, sold them for over $100. If I have the clip, I'll show you guys. But I love this pawn shop. Everything's cheap here also. They just usually tax in here for some reason, but we are here today. Kind of is weird. I ain't gonna lie, today's kind of weird. We ain't really find shit like that, but it happens, you feel me? And this is real honest truth about being a sneaker reseller. Some days you'll make $1,000+ a day, some days you make a few $100s. And that's how it rolls. It's all snowball effects at the end of the year. That's when it all comes together. Don't forget to pay your taxes. They still got these chunky donkeys in this hole for $490 my. $70. Oh yeah, something new today. We got some fake Air Forces and Vapor Max. Yeah, I'm dead. It's some more shoes in here, but most of these are just bricks, you feel me? Like trash. That one's trash. This one's next up. If you guys can see, let's zoom in. There's a detail art all the way back there. They got the French Blue 12s. I might take those Air Maxes. I'm gonna definitely take those 11s, and then second row, pretty much nothing. They got a few in there. And they got those 10s, but I can see the toe area is really messed up, so I'll pass on that. Going to the top shelf, nothing but bricks, so we'll ask on prices on toes too. Figure it out. Alright y'all, so we picked up these French Blues. These are $55. Honestly, no blemishes, no scuffs. Just needs a deep clean because it has a bunch of dirt on the bottom. Ugly shoe. And then we did pick up these 11s, just a little bit of yellowing on the bottoms. Quick ice session. These should be straight ready to go. Paid 60 bucks for these. With tax, we came up to 124 bucks. Now, profit wise, I could sell these for like about 120, and we probably paid 60 bucks for it. So like 60 bucks profit on this one. This one it's ultimately depends how we unyellowed it get. We could sell it close to like 200 bucks if I unyellow it super good, and we only paid like $64 after tax, bro. It's so amazing, easy profit. And with this type of pawning and doing stuff like this, it's all about the patience. So now we about to do a sneaker meetup with the bro. Yeah, I'm packing the shoes box. Okay, bet. So now we're gonna do a meetup with some dude. I found him on an app that's not OfferUp, where you ship shoes, but he lives local. So I hit him up. We set up the time right now. We about to do the deal. Let me go down there and make it happen. Let's go. Alright, y'all see it. It's another pawn shop. As we wait for bro to pull up on us. My glasses, bro. As we wait for homie to pull up, I forgot my mask in here somewhere. Let me put it on. As we wait for him, we're gonna go the pawn shop across the street. And I seen the window, so they might have some stuff in here. Let's hopefully find some good deals. Let me walk in there real quick. Right. Putting this mask on the wrong way. But yeah, this is the little hood. Well, it's not really a hood. It's an affordable area, you feel me? Like, it's really decent. So it has a mixture of people who are broke and who don't have money. So this is a deal right here, 120. If we can get it for 120 out the door, this is a good shoe right here. Those are 60 bucks. I just sold a pair of these for 100, but the bottoms are super cleaner. Those are bricks. It's a great shoe right here, Bel Airs for 106. I feel like the same person sold them that pair. 35. And then we got these for $63. I personally feel like these are bricks and they won't move, so pass on that one. Oh, we got some Kobe's for $1.30. Well, we'll look these up. Look like some special edition shit. Got a little something going on, so I'll look them up, see which one's worth it. If these are worth it, I'll probably take these for 120. Kind of high, but I sold the pair for like 170. I ended up taking the Jordan 11, size 8.5. Pretty bad size, I would say. But these are selling for about 200 used and 280 brand new. For some reason, these did actually go up a little bit. That's it. It's Jordan 11 Concord breads. Nothing special. It's, I would say 8 out of 10. Still has like the stickers and stuff inside. That's probably why I honestly paid the high for it. But I usually pay 120 or less for this shoe and sell it for about $160 to $200 range used, depending on the box and stuff like that. So this one comes complete with everything, so I don't mind investing a little bit into it and getting a steal. Not playing. I'll probably end up making 40 to 50 bucks. That's like my general rule of how much I want to make, close to the 40 to 50. But if 30 to 40, that's cool. If it's a shoe with complete everything, it's not gonna be that hard of a shoe to sell, you feel me? If it doesn't have a box for 120, I would have been iffy, but I did pay tax on this one. It was close to 129.90, so 130. Alright, so we're waiting for the homie to pull up. He said 16 minutes, so let's see how many minutes is that from now. So 12, he should be like 4 minutes away, so we're good. Let's get it. Yo, I just did the meetup for these, I just did a meetup for these 4s, bro. They're fake. They were fake. Oh, man. I didn't even look at, I looked at the box. I thought they were cool grays. But then I looked again inside the box. They were fake. And I didn't want to record it and put this dude on blast. But those Jordan 4s were fake, bro. This guy was crazy. And then he was like, oh, I put them as reps. Bro, you don't sell reps, man. You put them shits in the trash. disrespectful, bro. But yeah, we're gonna continue our day. Thank God I didn't waste no gas to meet up with this dude. Crazy. Alright, y'all. So I just left the pawn shop real quick. I'm so pissed and I'm heated, but I'm chilling. So we got these for 60 bucks out the door. Yellowing is kind of bad on them, but I want to put them through the ice box for maybe 1 24-hour session, then putting them up for sale. We'll probably generate close to 100 bucks for it. 40 bucks profit after fees and cleaning and stuff. Alright, y'all. So I'm at the secret location pawn shop. I haven't found anything in the last 2 weeks, but if you remember, bro, insert a clip what we found here, bro. Go insert the clip, alright? So this is a secret pawn shop. I'm about to go in and see what I find. Let's go. Alright, y'all. At the pawn shop. Big ups, George. I'm watching bro's YouTube video on the way. So we're gonna go here, one more pawn shop, and then we're gonna do a sneaker meetup again. Hopefully no more fakes. Let's go. Okay, gotcha. Somebody explain to me what's going on here, bro. They're blatantly selling fake shoes in here for $25, and they got another one for $70. This shit's crazy. And then I found these fake ones for $250. Got these twos. These might be worth something. These Vapor Maxes, the bubbles are popped, but those would be worth something. Polo. Everything else is just trash. Like, I mean, it's a good price for some forces, but they're out of there. Trash. Alright, y'all. I'm at that Dollar Tree, feel me? I left the pawn shop. They ain't have shit. I'm getting this drink from Dollar Tree for $1. This is the only thing with no calories in it. Well, it only has 5 calories. Like, everything else, like 300 plus, bro. That's crazy. But anyways, I just want to quickly interrupt the video and ask you guys what kind of content you like to watch, type shit, so then I know how to make it. Well, not know how to make it, so I can make more of it, you feel me? Like, do you guys like the pawn shop videos? Do you like me going to DTLR and finessing? Which that shit's not gonna be possible until like next year or something, bro. So let me know what you guys want me to do. Maybe some cleaning videos or some shit like that. I don't know, honestly. Just trying to figure out what my game plan is with this, because honestly there's a million plus people doing the same thing, so I'm trying to differentiate myself, type shit. I honestly feel like putting a GoPro on myself right here when I do sneaker meetups, that'll be cool as hell. But yeah, I'm waiting for bro to pull up, so I'll let y'all know whenever he comes. My Ferrari's right there waiting. Alright, y'all, so I just picked up the 11s. Bro's just leaving right now. I wish I recorded an interaction, but that's why I said, bro, I need a GoPro in my right here or something, because I picked these up. Bottoms are pretty yellowed. Paid $200 for these. Selling these at $250 plus. So I'm not sure where market is at. I sold pairs for $270, but honestly, there's like about a $50 to a $70 profit. So if you're buying these fire reds, it's a really hot shoe. It doesn't take a genius to sell them. They sell really fast. So if you're gonna get these, pay around $200 with the box and everything. So there's like about $50 to $70 profit. It just depends what size you have. These Jubilees right here, I sold a pair for $350 on eBay. Bought these for $300 off of him. Probably gonna just dump this to somebody else for like $340. Damn, bro, got some loud ass music. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I just made like a quick $100 off his ass. You know, that's how the resale game goes, and I always appreciate the homie. I'm not sure if he watches the videos, but if you do, bro, I always appreciate it. At the end of the day, I'm not making $100 like that. I have to clean the shoes and put them up for sale, and it takes a little bit longer, so the money's not gonna come real quick, but it comes with the territory of being a reseller, my guy. All right, so I'm about to go. Oh, my drink. Where I put my drink at? Cause I need my drink. All right, let me get my drink real quick. So I'm about to go to 1 or 2 more ponds, see what we can find. All right, y'all, just finished up. Left that shoe store right there. I got 2 pairs of Pretzels. We got 2 pair size 10 all white Prestos. I'm not sure if it's showing. Super clean. Bottoms are dirty, need to get scrubbed so I can sell them on go. And I just sold a pair a few days ago, paid $86 after tax for this shoe. Here's a pop-up of how much I'm selling it for. So honestly, just an easy $100 on each of them. So just $200 real quick, you feel me? Like nothing crazy, some slight. So like it helps with the day. So I don't know, I'm not even worried about how much we're making a day, but today was a really decent day. We probably made close to $500 to $600. I'm just guesstimating, but man, I'm happy with today. Also foot action. We picked up, oh, this is not my size, but we got these checkered Vans, this colorway. I don't know, for 90 bucks, there's probably a $10 to $20 profit margin on this one. And so if you think about it, that's a 50% return on investment if I just sell it for like 30 some dollars, you see? And I can get 100% return on investment if I just sell it for double. So it's something easy, quick, you know, money, shmoney. Yeah, but other than that, I'm about to head to the house. Gonna do a meetup with some dude. He wants to pick up some of the shoes that he bought off of me. So yeah, other than that, have a great night. Adios. Thank you everybody for enjoying the vlog, you feel me? So if you guys enjoyed it, just thumbs up, like it. Let me know what else type of videos I should make. With that being said, this is the end of the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm gonna drop these off to the warehouse tomorrow after I clean them up and everything. Oh man, I'm so tired. Good night. Have a good one. Adios.
Make sure you click the like or dislike or I don't care button. But click something, goddammit.